Assalamualaikum. My name is Ikra Jabin. Welcome to our Test Prep Pakistan channel. So here is a WhatsApp group where we give the MCQs to solve for junior science teacher preparation. So here is a test of mock test 14. So let us start the MCQ solution. It is a paragraph, it is a passage. It was the best time of times. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. We had everything before us, we had nothing before us. These are the lines of Charles Dickens. So, the question number one to question number 5 is from this passage. Question number 1 is the passage reflects a tone that is sarcastic. Option number option A is sarcastic. Option B is satirical. Option C is paradoxical, and option D is cynical. The right option is option C. Okay. Second question is the dominant literacy device used in the passage is juxtaposition. Option D is the right answer. Question number 3 is the phrase we had everything before us, we had nothing before us. Suggest the right option is option A, lack of planning. Question number 4, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness, implies option A, wisdom and foolishness coexisted. Okay, so question number 5 is the style of this passage can be best described as, option C is the right answer, philosophical reflection. Then question number 6, choose the correct transformation into a complex sentence. I saw the man, he was holding a map. Option A, I saw the man and he was holding a map. Option B, I saw the man who held a map. Option C, I saw the man holding a map. Option D, I saw the man who was holding a map. So the right answer is D, I saw the man who was holding a map. Then question number 7, choose the sentence with correct parallel structure. Option A, she likes reading. Option A is she likes reading, to swim and jogging. Option B, she likes to read, swim and jog. She likes reading, swimming and to jog. Option D is she likes to read, swimming and jog. So the right option of this question is option B. She likes to read, swim and jog. Question number 8 is identify the grammatical error. If I would have seen him, I would have spoken to him. So the right answer for this question is option A, if I would have. Then question number 9, what is the closest synonym of obfuscate? So the right option is option B, complicate. Then question number 10, choose the most appropriate word. Her dash attitude made her unpopular among peers. So the right option is supercilious. Her supercilious attitude made her unpopular among peers. Question number 11 है identify the figure of speech. Death lays his icy hand on kings. The right option of this question is personification. Option B is the right answer. Question number 12. Choose a sentence with correct subjunctive mood. If I was rich, I would buy a house. If I were rich, I would buy a house. Option C, if I be rich, I would buy a house. Option D, if I will be rich, I buy a house. The right option of this answer is option B, if I were rich, I would buy a house. Then question number 13, choose the best revision. Despite of being late, he managed to catch the train. The right answer of this question is despite being late. Then question number 14, correct usage of idiom. His actions speak louder than his word. So the right option is He promised and delivers. Then question number 15. What is the meaning of to throw in the towel? The right answer is to resign or quit. Then question number 16. Choose the word that fits best. His explanation was so dash that is left everyone more confused. So his explanation was so incoherent. Option C is the right answer. Then question number 17. Choose the grammatical correct and most precise sentence. The right option of this question is the audience was delighted with the performance. Option B is the right answer. Then question number 18. Which sentence contain a dangling modifier? The right answer of this question is option A. While driving to school, the trees pass swiftly. Then question number 19. Select the best continuation. The professor was known for his erudition. Consequently, the right option of this answer is he was often consulted for academic advice. Option D is the right answer. Then question number 20. Identify the correct sentence with parallel construction. She is not intelligent but also she is humble. Option B, she is not only intelligent but she is also humble. Option C, she not only is intelligent but also humble. And option D is she is not only intelligent but also humble. The right answer is option D, she is not intelligent but also humble. Then question number 21. Mathematical question are started in this from this question. A man can do a job in 15 days with the help of his friend. They can finish in 9 days. How many days can the friend to do the job alone? So the right answer for this question is option B, 21 days. Then question number 22. The average age of a family of 6 members is 22 years. If a baby of age 1 year is added, what is the new average age? The right option is 20, 20 years. Sorry, 21 years. Option C is the right answer for question number 22. Then we have question number 23. A man borrow rupees 25,000 at 8% simple interest per annum. What will be the total amount after 3 years? So the answer of question number 23 is A, 31,000. Question number 24. A rectangle's length is 20% more than its breadth. If the parameter is 132 centimeter, what is its area? So the right answer for this question is 1224 centimeter square. The unit of area is centimeter square. Okay. Then question number 25 is here. A train running at 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 24 seconds. What is the length of the train? The right answer for this question is option C, 360 meter. Okay. Question number 26 is a sum of honey triples in 15 years at simple interest. What is the rate of interest per annum? The right option of question number 26 is 13.33%. Question number 27. A car travels 150 km at 60 km per hour. 160 km per hour and returns at 50 km per hour. What is the average speed of the whole trip? एवरेज स्पीड पूछी गई है इस क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 का राइट आंसर है 54.5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. A shopkeeper offers a 20% discount and still make 25% profit. What is the cost price if the marked price is ₹1,000? The right answer for this question is 625 rupees, 625. Then question number 29. A tank is filled by pipe A in 12 hours and pipe B in 8 hours. How long will it take both pipes working together to fill the tank? So the right option for this question is B, 4.8 hours. Right. Then question number 30. A man walks 30 km at 5 km per hour and the next 20 km at 4 km per hour. What is his average speed of the whole journey? So the right option is A, 4.44 km per hour. Who is the current, question number 31, who is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan as of June 2025? The right option is option D, Justice Ijazul Hasan. Then question number 32, which country hosted the COP29 climate conference in 2024? So the right option is Azerbaijan. Option C. Then question number 33, who won the 2024 president election in the United States, in the US? So the right option is option C. Yes, Ron DeSantis. Question number 34, the CPEC is a joint project between Pakistan and which country? So the right option is China. Option B is the correct answer. Then question number 35, who became the first female governor of the State Bank of Pakistan in 2024? The right answer is option A, Shamshad Akhtar. Then we have question number 36. The current Secretary General of the United Nations is? Question number 36. The right answer of question number 36 is option A, Antonio Guterres. Then we have question number 37. What is the name of Pakistan's newest satellite launched in 2024? So the right option of question number 37 is C, IQQ. Then question number 38. Which city is the headquarters of the Brisbank NDB? So the right answer of this question is Shanghai. Option C is the right answer. Then, which province of Pakistan produces the most electricity from hydropower? The right option is option C, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa produces the most electricity from hydropower. Question number 40. Who is the current chairperson of the Senate of Pakistan 2025? So the right option is option D, Hong Kong. Question number 40. The right answer is Yusuf Raza Gilani. Who is the current chairperson of the Senate of Pakistan? Yusuf Raza Gilani. Option D is the right answer for question number 40. Then question number 41. The Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is headquartered in? Option C is the right answer, Beijing, not option D. Okay, so just remove it. Yes. Now question number 42. The recent Gaza-Israel conflict scaled in which month of 2024? गज़ा की जो जंग थी इसराइल और गज़ा की, वो कब स्टार्ट हुई है 2024 की किस मंथ में? 42. Question number 42. So the right answer is October 2024. Then we have question number 43. Pakistan's largest natural gas field is in? कहाँ पर है पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी नेचुरल गैस फील्ड? क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 का राइट आंसर है सुई. ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. Then which organization added Pakistan to its 2024 Press Freedom Watch list? So the organization is option B, Reporters Without Borders. Then question number 45. As of mid 2025, Pakistan foreign exchange reserves are closest to? 45 का आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, 8 बिलियन. Question number 46. Headquarter of OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, is located in option A Islamabad, option B Jeddah, option C Dubai, and option D Riyadh. Okay, so the answer is B, Jeddah. Then question number 47. Who is the first female astronaut from Pakistan selected in 2024? The right option is Namira Salim. Then question number 48. The newly constructed Deso Dam is located in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Option D is the right answer. Then which country mediated peace talks between Russia and Ukraine in 2024? The right option is China. Question number 50. Pakistan's largest IT park. Pakistan largest IT park कहाँ पर है? Located in Karachi. Option C is the right answer. Option C, Karachi is the right answer. Okay, then question number 51. Here's the science portion is started and current affairs question was last. The last question is Pakistan's largest IT park in 2024 is located in. Okay, so now science portion is started. Which enzyme is responsible for unzipping DNA during replication? Replication के दौरान कौन सा enzyme है जो कि DNA को unzip करता है? तो वो है helicase. Option C is the right answer. Then question number 52. Which part of the brain control voluntary muscle movement? कौन सा पार्ट है जो कि कंट्रोल करता है वॉलेंट्री मसल्स की मूवमेंट को? तो वो है कैरिब्रम. ऑप्शन सी. Then what is the functional unit of kidney? Option A neuron, option B is nephron, C is glomerulus, and D is bone capsule. So neuron is the basic functional unit of brain, right? So the right option is nephron, B. Glomerulus and bone capsule is the part of nephron, okay, not the functional unit. Then question number 54. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? So vitamin K is important for blood clotting. Question number 55. What is the main pigment involved in photosynthesis? Chlorophyll, green color pigment, which is involved in photosynthesis. Then question number 56. Which organ produces insulin? So insulin is produced by C, pancreas. Then question number 57. What is the function of lymphocytes? Lymphocytes का क्या काम है? Lymphocytes immunity देते हैं हमें, immune system को strong करता है. Then question number 58. The largest bone in the human body is option A tibia, B femur, C humerus, and D is pelvic. So the right option is femur, also called as thigh bone. Then question number 59. Which disease is caused by iodine deficiency? Iodine की deficiency से कौन सी disease होती है? So the right option is C, goiter. Okay. एनीमिया जो है वो ब्लड की डेफिशिएंसी है, आयरन की वजह से होती है. रिकेट्स विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी से होता है, एंड क्वाशियोर इज प्रोटीन की डेफिशिएंसी से होती है. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज फॉर आयोडीन डेफिशिएंसी गोइटर. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. विच ऑर्गेनल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सेल्यूलर रिस्पायरेशन? सेल्यूलर रिस्पायरेशन किस ऑर्गन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, ऑप्शन डी. Then question number 61. What is the atomic number of oxygen? Atomic number of oxygen का क्या है? 8. Okay. The pH of pure water at 25 Celsius is. Pure water की pH होती है 7, neutral, right? Then next question is chemical formula for gypsum. जिप्सम का केमिकल फॉर्मूला है कैल्शियम सल्फेट 2H2O. द राइट ऑप्शन इज सी. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. नोबेल गैस बिलोंग टू विच ग्रुप ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल? नोबल गैसेस कौन से ग्रुप से बिलोंग करती हैं? ग्रुप 18 से। ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग गैस इनटू लिक्विड इज। गैस से लिक्विड में चेंज होने का प्रोसेस कहलाता है कंडेंसेशन। बी इज द राइट आंसर। Then we move on to question number 66. Which acid is used in car batteries? So, sulfuric acid is used in car batteries. Option C is the right answer. Then, which allotrope of carbon is used in pencil? All of these are the allotropes of carbon: graphite, diamond, fullerene, and charcoal, but used in pencil. So, graphite is used in pencil. Valency of nitrogen is? Nitrogen की valency कितनी है? 3. Option B is the right answer. And question number 69, which metal is liquid at room temperature? Option C, mercury. Then question number 70, main gas used in LPG. LPG में यूज की जाने वाली मेन गैस है ब्यूटेन. Okay. Then question number 71, the SI unit of force. Force का unit है न्यूटन. SI unit of force is Newton. Then question number 72, light travels fastest in. लाइट किस में ज़्यादा तेज ट्रेवल करती है? सो जो मीडियम से चाहिए होता है, सॉलिड के अंदर जो है वो लाइट बहुत तेजी से सफर करती है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज वाटर, बी इज एयर, सी इज ग्लास एंड डी इज वैक्यूम. सो वैक्यूम, डी इज द राइट आंसर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 73, विच लॉ स्टेट्स F इज इक्वल्स टू ma? These are the Newton's law. So Newton's second law. This is the Newton's second law that states that F is equals to ma. Force is directly proportional to mass. Question number 74, the SI unit of electric current. The unit of electric current is ampere. Option C is the right answer. Then question number 75, the lens used to correct myopia. Myopia को ट्रीट करने के लिए कौन सा लेंस यूज किया जाता है? तो वो है कॉन्केव. Concave lens is used to correct myopia. Okay. Question number 76, a device that converts AC to DC. Alternative current को DC डायरेक्ट करंट में चेंज करने के लिए कौन सी डिवाइस की जाती है? वो है रेक्टिफायर. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. Then question number 77, Pascal laws deals with gas pressure, sound, liquid pressure or light reflection. So the right answer is C, light pressure. Then question number 78, which type of wave required a medium to travel? So the correct answer is sound waves. Sound waves require a medium to travel. Question number 79, which color has the longest wavelength? कौन से कलर की सबसे ज़्यादा वेवलेंथ होती है? So red. रेड की वेवलेंथ सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. और सबसे कम किसकी होती है? वायलेट की. ओके. Question number 80, the acceleration due to gravity on earth is 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. कांस्टेंट है ये. 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर ग्रेविटी है. एक्सेलरेशन है ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी ऑन अर्थ. Then question number 81, the largest source of air pollution is. सबसे बड़ी सोर्स क्या है एयर पोल्यूशन की? So the right option is transportation. Question number 82, the ozone layer is located in which atmospheric level? Which atmospheric layer? So the right option is B, stratosphere. There are different layers on atmosphere. So the ozone layer is lie on stratosphere. Question number 83, the most abundant greenhouse gas is? The right option is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the most abundant greenhouse gas. Question number 84, which part of a plant performs photosynthesis? Photosynthesis कहाँ होती है? कौन सा पार्ट है प्लांट का? So the right option is leaf. Question number 85, acid rain is mainly caused by. Acid rain किसकी वजह से होती है? Right option is C, UV rays. Okay, so the main cause of global warming is, the main cause of acid rain is सल्फर एंड नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड, सल्फर और नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड की वजह से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 86, द मेन कॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज ऑप्शन ए, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इमिशन। इसे हम रिमूव कर देते हैं ऑप्शन सी को, ये बाय मिस्टेक हो गया था, राइट। सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 87, विच डिजीज इज लिंक्ड टू नॉइज पोल्यूशन। शोर की वजह से कौन सी डिजीज कॉज हो सकती है? शोर की आलूदगी की वजह से। नॉइज पोल्यूशन मतलब शोर की आलूदगी का। सो हाइपरटेंशन, ओके, हाइपरटेंशन इज कॉज्ड बाय नॉइज पोल्यूशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 88, द यूनिट ऑफ साउंड इंटेंसिटी इज, साउंड इंटेंसिटी का यूनिट क्या है? डेसिबल। द राइट ऑप्शन इज डेसिबल, ऑप्शन ए। Question number 89, the process of water loss from leaf is, the process is C, transpiration. Option C is the right answer. Question number 90, which of the following is biodegradable? इन सब में से कौन है जो biodegradable है? So the right option is option C, wood. Question number 91, in MS Excel, which shortcut key is used to insert a new worksheet? Control plus F11. Option B is the right answer. Then, what is the shortcut key to edit the active cell in Excel? Question number 92. The right answer of question number 92 is F2. Question number 93. Which shortcut in Excel is used to select the entire worksheet? Entire worksheet को select करने के लिए कौन सा शॉर्टकट यूज किया जाता है एक्सेल में? The right option is Control plus A. Then the key combination Control Shift plus L is in Excel does what? क्या करता है जब हम Control plus Shift plus L करते हैं तो इससे क्या परफॉर्म होता है, क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म होता है? C, applies filters. इससे फिल्टर्स लगते हैं एक्सेल पर, ओके। Then question number 95, what does F4 key do in MS Excel? Question number 95, the right answer is repeats the last command action, option C. Then question number 96, which key combination is used to save the current Excel file? So option C, Control plus S. Question number 97, in Excel, what is the shortcut for creating a chart from selected data? So the right option is B, Alt plus F1. Then question number 98, which Excel shortcut allow you to insert the current date into a cell? So the right option is Control plus. When you click on Control plus, then insert the current date into your cell. Question number 99, which key is used to switch between open application in window? So the right option is Alt plus Tab. Option C is the correct answer. Then question number 100, last but not least, the shortcut to print a worksheet in Excel is A, Control plus P. So here are the solution of all the questions of mock test 14, and here are the top 15 scorers. Okay, the starting three are nominers who win the cash prize. Amreen Qureshi from Dadu, Shazia, she is holding first position, and Shazia Uja second position, 300 cash prize, and Farhan Ali cash prize is 200, third position. And the rest of the students are top 17 students: Muhammad Ali, सदफ़ मलिक, ज़ैब अहमद, ज़रीना अमजद फ्रॉम नवाबशाह, खिज़र, मोहम्मद रफ़ीक, गुलशन, मुराक अली, उमर फरवा, मुक़द्दस, रमीज़ कुमार, अनवर मला। सो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो इसे लाइक कर दीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि अगर आप इस ग्रुप में ज्वाइन नहीं है जहाँ पर ये टेस्ट रिपीट होते हैं, हमारे जहाँ पर ये टेस्ट दिए जाते हैं, तो यू कैन ज्वाइन वाया दिस नंबर एंड दिस इज़ फ्री कोर्स फॉर JST प्रिपरेशन। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।